In today's video, we are going to cover how to connect Zapier to Gmail. Start by signing in to your Zapier account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click App Connections. This opens the area where Zapier stores the apps linked to your account. After that page loads, click the button labeled Create Connection to begin adding a new app. A search window will appear so you can choose the service you want to connect. In the search field, type Gmail. When Gmail appears in the list of apps, select it, then click Add Connection. This tells Zapier which account type you want to link before the sign-in process begins. Next, a Connect to Zapier window will open. Here, Zapier may show the Google account it detects for you. Take a moment to verify that it is the Gmail account you want to use. If the correct account is shown, click Connect. Make sure you select the right account before continuing. Especially if you manage more than one inbox in the same browser, you may now be prompted to sign in to Google. If a list of Google accounts appears, choose the account you want to connect. If you are not already signed in, enter your Gmail email address and password to continue. Use only the account you intend Zapier to access, since the connection will be tied to that Google login. After sign in, Google will display the permissions Zapier is requesting. Review that access carefully, then click Allow to authorize Zapier to connect with your Gmail account. This permission step is required so Zapier can interact with Gmail on your behalf when you create automations that use this connection. Once you allow access, Zapier will return to its own screen and begin verifying your Google account. Give it a moment to finish creating the connection. You do not need to do anything during this part unless the page asks you to try again. When verification is complete, go back to the App Connections page in Zapier. Find Gmail in your connected apps and confirm that its status shows as connected. This is the clearest sign that the account link has been created successfully and is ready to use inside your Zaps. For a final check, click Test Connection next to the Gmail connection. Zapier will run a quick access test to make sure it can reach your account properly. Wait for the result to appear and confirm that the test completes successfully. If the connection test passes, your Gmail account is ready to be selected in future Zapier workflows without signing in again. Your Gmail account is now connected to Zapier and verified for use.